Hello, I'm Anthony. Thanks for joining me today. I'm going to be demonstrating how to make the American classic, the peanut butter and jelly sandwich, certain to satisfy the most discriminating of palates, as well as those picky eaters at home. The PB&J is one of the most widely liked lunches in the world, and now you too can be a hit in your kitchen if you'll just follow along with me in these few simple steps. And what we're going to need to get started today is some bread, which we have right here, some rye seeded bread, as well as peanut butter and jelly. And today we're using Skippy Creamy and Smooth, as well as Smucker's Concord Grape Jelly. And now I'm going to be getting 2 pieces of bread from the package. And I'm going to place them right here on the plate. I'm going to take a knife, get my peanut butter, and get a nice scoop. I'm going to grab one of my pieces of bread and make a nice and even spread right along the bread. Once you have a nice spread that you like, go ahead, use another clean knife so you don't mix. And we're going to take our jelly, a little bit hard, but we're going to get a nice scoop and make sure that it lands right there on the bread. And then spread that jelly as evenly as you'd like, and careful not to make a mess. Then I'll take both slices that I have with the ingredients and evenly place them on top of each other. Give it a nice little pat down. And then we're going to take our knife finally and cut it right down the middle so that I can just have a snack or maybe share a slice with a friend. And there we have a nice peanut butter and jelly sandwich. So as you can see, cooking isn't just for the professionals. You too can amaze your friends and win the hearts of your loved ones with just a few minutes of simple preparation. And there are a number of interesting variations, including 7-grain bread, raspberry preserves, and organically grown peanut butter. But we'll have to save those for another day. So until then, goodbye and good eats.